Welcome back to Toyota and Dodge Garage. You might be wondering why I'm in the passenger seat today. Well, we're going to be changing the cabin air filter in my 2004 Toyota 4Runner. The filter's pretty clean. I've already checked it, but I would like to show you where it's at and how to do it. So let's get on to it. The first thing you do, you just open up your glove box, just like that. Then, if you look a little closer here, you got a little tab sticking behind this plastic piece here. And you go to the other side, and you got the same little tab right there behind this plastic piece. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna squeeze them together to help push those tabs out from behind the plastic trim. Then the whole glove box should drop down, and we'll see where the cabin air filter is. I'll show you how to get this done. You just squeeze these sides together, and then that's it. It drops down, just like that. Now, I don't know if you can see, but let me try to get y'all in here a little bit. This is where your cabin air filter is, right here. This whole box, that clip to this clip, is your cabin air filter. So, let me show you how to pull that out. You just kind of grab those tabs and pull straight out. That's how you do it right there. And this is your cabin air filter, and it's pretty clean because didn't change it too long ago. But these little tabs here kind of hold the filter in there, and you can flip it over. That's what the bottom looks like of the filter and the holder there. So once you change it, well, you just install it the exact same way. You just push it in, and it pops in. And then you grab your glove box here and kind of help it squeeze the side in there. And then you're done. That's all there is to it, to replacing the cabin air filter in your 2004 4Runner. And it's probably the same from 2003 to 2009. So, hope that helped you out. Some of you might not know that there is even a cabin air filter, which some cars don't have one. But if yours does, and you have a 4Runner, that is the location. So, stay tuned. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Please subscribe. And if you want to know when I have a new video come out, don't forget to hit that bell notification. I'll catch y'all later. Bye.